This is our second edition of our photo expo. Last year we had it in Porvorim. This year we are having it in Taleigao Community Hall. We have not left any stone unturned to publicize our show this year. जाता तितले आमी प्रयत्न करून marketing खूप केले आसा using social media, and we have all the other people who are photographers. Not even we have gone to the extent of going to Kerala, Bangalore, and publicizing our show this year. We have got a lot of vendors also. Big companies are coming to participate. Plus, we have put up big shows. We're having an inter-college photography competition, plus fashion show. Plus, we have got one dance competition also. Plus, different photography competition along inside the hall itself. Candid moments, mobile for mobile users. Plus, this year we are coming up with one scheme which is in Goa, not available as of now. It is called MESC. It is a Prime Minister Narendra Modi scheme, which has been implemented by different other states, and it is a self-employment scheme which the Prime Minister has initiated, and we are very happy to introduce MESC scheme in Goa for the first time. It is called Media and Entertainment Skill Council. So people from Delhi, from the central government, are going to be in Goa to register different young people of ours who wants to join them, and they will be giving them free workshops, and then free certificates. I mean, a certificate for the entire course. It is a Government of India certificate which will be signed by Subhash Ghai. Okay, and plus employment after that for the photographers.
The main opportunity which is there on the MEC scheme is most of us photographers are there, but we are not professional, or we don't have any certificate. But this time, the moment we are enrolled in MESC, they will be giving us a certificate signed with the stamp of central government. So it will be recognized we are the professional photographers under the banner. So we have to just give a small test exam, and they will be giving us a certificate. That is a big plus point which is there. Plus, if anyone want to go for a job or looking out for the job, the opportunity is there. They'll be giving you the job facilities. Lot of things are there. The certificate is going to sign by one of the leading Subhash Ghai, who is going to sign. He is the president of that. It is always better to enroll ourselves. All the photographers, whoever it may be, should apply for that.
It is not only for photographers who are doing weddings and all. Even you people, press people, people who want to do a career ahead in photography and even music, they can enroll themselves in this scheme, which will be very fruitful for everybody.